Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to favorite channels on YouTube TV. Have you ever found yourself endlessly scrolling through the YouTube TV guide trying to find your favorite channels?
Well, no more.
Favoriting channels is a super simple way to personalize your guide and make finding what you want to watch a breeze. In this video, we'll walk you through the quick and easy steps to favorite channels on YouTube TV, whether you're using your smart TV, computer, or mobile device. By the end of this video, you'll be a pro at curating your perfect channel lineup. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Rome Tips for more helpful tips and tricks. It really helps us out.
Okay, let's get started.
The process is pretty much the same across devices, but I'll show you the specifics for each. On a smart TV or streaming device. First, navigate to the Live tab. This will bring up the full channel guide. Next, scroll through the guide until you find the channel you want to favorite. Once you've found the channel, simply highlight it. You should see a star icon next to the channel name. Select the star icon. When the star turns solid or fills in, it means you've successfully favorited the channel. Repeat this process for all of your favorite channels. To view only your favorite channels, go back to the guide and look for a filter option, usually located at the top. Select the filter and choose Favorites. Now, only your favorited channels will be displayed in the guide.
Astérisque astérisque, on a computer astérisque astérisque.
The process is very similar on a computer. Go to the YouTube TV website and sign in to your account. Click on the Live tab to access the channel guide. Find the channel you want to favorite and hover your mouse over it. You'll see the same star icon appear. Click on the star. Again, a filled-in star indicates that the channel is now favorited. To see only your favorites, look for the filter option at the top of the guide and select Favorites. On a mobile device, phone or tablet, open the YouTube TV app on your mobile device. Tap the Live tab at the bottom of the screen. Scroll through the channel guide to find the channel you want to favorite. Tap on the channel listing. This will usually bring up more details about the channel. Look for the star icon, usually located near the channel name.
Tap the star.
The filled star means it's favorited. To view only your favorites, tap on the filter option at the top of the guide and select Favorites. And that's it. It's super easy to favorite channels on YouTube TV. Now you can easily access all of your favorite content without having to scroll through hundreds of channels. This is a great way to customize your YouTube TV experience and make it more enjoyable. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Rome Tips for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.